Let me go ahead and show you how to add a payment gateway using Jotform AI. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jotform, and on this video, I'm going to add a payment gateway using the Jotform AI chat right inside of the form builder. So it's gonna be super easy. Let's get started. This is my main workspace, and I'm gonna use a form that I previously built to add the payment gateway via the Jotform AI. So in this case, I'm gonna use this one. Let's go ahead and edit the form, and we're gonna be able to view the AI Copilot here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and select this and send the request to add a payment gateway. So now it understands that that's what I want. Now Copilot is gonna be adding the payment gateway right now. And here it is, the payment gateway has now been added. And now I have to select the payment system that I wanna use for this element that's just been added. So for example, if I click on add a new connection, I'll select from one of the payment gateways available here on Jotform, which there's several of these available, including the most popular ones around the world. So just go ahead and select the payment gateway that you want to use and go through the setup process. And since we have the payment element added here, we have the option to add our products straight from here. So if you want to start selling products, it's going to be super easy once you add that element via Jotform AI. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about Jotform AI and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.